Hi, welcome to Step by Step Farming. I just want to show you guys a really quick thing that I've been doing. This is a garden that I've had for about 7 years now. This is our 7th year that we've had this garden. Last year I did a raised bed, and if you've seen my previous video, I talked about the benefits of having a garden, and I showed some video of my lettuces just popping up without me planting any seeds from last year. Well, this year, if you notice, there's some weeds, there's a lot of flowers, and what I'm going to do is this year I am not going to do anything with this garden. I'm going to just let it rest. It's the 7th year. I'm going to just let it rest, and the reason behind that is because there's a lot of benefit to allowing your land to rest after a certain amount of time. If you notice that the problems that the farmers are having now is that the soil is depleted of all of its nutrients and its minerals, and therefore the food that grows, they have to use pesticides and some types of synthetic fertilizers and things like that to try to get it to grow. And of course, when they do that and you eat it, then it's not good for your body. So what I'm doing this year is I'm going to allow my garden, because this is about the 7th year, to rest. And that's really a benefit because look at, like, for example, look at all the flowers. These flowers, I never planted these flowers, they just popped up. And since we have bees, this is perfect. They have plenty of flowers to pollinate and to make honey. And also it will allow let me just show you real quick. I'll give you an example. Okay, so this is called bolting, B-O-L-T-I-N-G, I think is how you spell it. Okay, so this is lettuce, and this lettuce has grown up. I didn't plant it. This was from last year. It's grown up, and if you notice, it's grown up really, really tall. It's probably, I don't know, maybe almost 6 feet, really, at the tallest one. And so, if you see here, this is a part of the lettuce. Now this is called bolting. So this is when, like, normally you would not want your plants and things to bolt. And the reason is because it causes, like, your vegetables become a little bitter. They're not as tender. But I want it to do that because I'm not going to be eating from it. And what happens is when you don't fool with it, it will do what it is naturally made to do. So for example, this lettuce, okay, I'm going to follow my hand up, and it's got these flowers, and you probably can't see it very well, but on the tip of these flowers there's seeds. And so what happens is that the seeds will fall to the ground, and it will replenish itself for next year. So that's really a good thing. Because it will produce seed. The seed will fall to the ground. Next year, it'll come right back up, probably even 10 times as better as it is today. So that's what I'm doing for this year. I am not going to be working in this garden. I've got enough flowers. I've got, like, these are my garlics. I'm not touching any of those. I've got some snap peas back there that I did last year, starting to grow. I'm not going to touch them, but that's okay because it will replenish itself. The soil will replenish itself. The flowers, the seeds will drop. So we've got some fertilizer from the pigeons we have. I'm adding some straw. I'm going to add some wood chips, some grass clippings and things like that. And I'm going to just cover everything where it will compost, and the soil will be richer next year. Now let me show you something else real quick because it's starting to rain. I don't know if you all saw before, but this is my strawberry patch. I'm going to just kind of try to back it up a little bit. Like, it's grown even since the last video I did. This, look at that. It's just now starting to grow. But since I'm not doing anything that year, I am going to start fresh. I'm going to do another raised bed in another part of the house that I have never used before. So this will be really good for everybody. So I'm going to be doing this section right here. This is right up against the house. It gets a lot of sun. And so all I did today was we just cleaned this area up and we just cut the grass down as low as we could. So actually now it's starting to rain, so it'll probably be a couple days before I can get out here. But I have some blocks, and I'll be talking about this later, but I'll be using those as my border. And I've got some cardboard over here. I'll be laying that down on the ground for extra compost. It's biodegradable. It kills the grass. So I'll explain all that in another video because I'm getting wet. But I just want to let you all know the garden I have here. I'll try to get this garden I am not going to be touching. I'm just going to let it sit and rest. And then that way next year it should be a whole lot better. I'll keep you guys updated as I start this new section, and we can do this together step by step. Thanks a lot. Bye.